Takhmina also marries Sharif Bek's son Zarif Bek in America. Olichadara understands that he has shown himself to be single and without a wife, and he makes another one. Her first husband searches for 3 or 4 months until he finds out that Myram did something else. His father is Rakhmon, but I do not know why Sharipovich did it. His brother, who died in the army in the lake, and another sister from another family, Nuruddin and Gurbanbi from someone else. Gurbanbi's husband was called Kolmumin Safarov. He was a large forestry farm of Tajikistan. He was shot in Dushanbe. Gurbanbi's only son Fakhriddin hit the Minister of Health and broke his jaw. He was once the chief of police of Shahrinav. When Gurbanbi died during the coronavirus outbreak, Fakhriddin hit the minister and broke his mouth. They are from the same family. Another sister of hers is in Kurgan from another husband. In Kolkozobad, a video of Rakhmonov's visit to his sister is on the internet. It turns out that Myram officially got married. He had a close acquaintance and friendship with the shepherd, Marco. But it is surprising that this Olichadara came and did this without leaving the first and main reason. She did not get out of this, married another man, and gave birth to several more children. The same Emomali Rakhmonov is really a mother-in-law. Then her husband will die, or what will happen? It is unknown. But the children were in harmony. The children of that father did not skimp on them. The father who died, he watched Emomali with Nuruddin. Takhmina Rakhmonova had an affair with her first husband Gulov Kurgani, son of Yermakmad Gulov, former head of Peshaprom. During her student years, Gulov takes Takhmina in his car and deflowers her. When the suitors go to meddle, his father's father does not agree. Takhmina takes her gun and shoots him in the leg. One paw is missing. After interrogation, he says that we love each other. And again, Emomali does not agree. Then, Takhmina tells Azizmo, a newspaper employee, that is, her mother, that I will only marry him. If you do not allow me, I will kill myself. Takhmina had 2 friends. One of them is called Katicha, from Dangara. I forgot his middle name. He is from Kulyab. They were lesbians. They worked with Takhmina in erotic films. These girls made millions at Takhmina's expense. Katicha was involved in the trade of stones from Badakhshan and Afghanistan. He took it to Dubai and sold it. Takhmina helped him through customs. This company was engaged in the import of gold and jewelry from Turkey. Basically, it was once a prestigious hotel. Tajikistan held out.